What's up guys, welcome back to another electric skateboard video. Today we're talking about storing your board during the winter. For many of you guys that have some harsher winters with snowfall, you guys won't be able to ride your boards for a while coming up here pretty soon. So today we wanted to go over a couple quick tips when it comes to storing your board and batteries for the winter. When it comes to storing your electric skateboard, the only thing we really need to concern ourselves over is the battery. Much like owning an electric car, you definitely want to take care of your batteries, especially when you plan on leaving them for an extended period of time. When snow finally falls and it's time to put your board away for a while, your first instinct might be to charge your board so that it has plenty of battery life to withstand a long winter, and your instincts would be half right. Lithium-ion batteries are happiest when they're stored at around 60%, so leaving a battery fully charged at 100% puts unnecessary stress on your battery pack and can affect the battery's health over a long period of time. Once you've got your board sitting around at around 60%, you'll want to find a good place to keep it. We'd really recommend keeping it somewhere temperature controlled. Extreme temperatures are not good for your battery's health either, so you definitely don't want to leave it out in the cold, freezing garage. That's just not really good for your battery. I'd also find a place to keep it that is accessible if possible. We really recommend checking on your board once in a while to keep an eye on the battery's charge level to ensure that it hasn't dropped unexpectedly. Letting your battery discharge too low can be detrimental to your battery's health as well, so you definitely want to check it once in a while. It's also good to turn your battery on and exercise your battery briefly once in a while, so your batteries don't sit completely untouched for a few months. If you really don't want your full board in the house all winter, you can also take the battery out of your board, put your board into storage, and then keep your battery somewhere in the house. But remember, it is still a good idea to exercise your battery once in a while, so keep that in mind if you do plan on separating your battery from your board. You can also look into a balance charger, so that way you can discharge and charge your board without your board actually being there, if that makes sense. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helps answer some of your questions when it comes to storing your board for the winter. If you guys have had an electric skateboard for a while and you have a winter routine, please leave that in the comments and share with other builders and other electric skateboard riders, so we all can store our boards properly this winter. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.